Alright. So, Babylist.
Wait.
Shh. We're recording.
Okay.
Babylist. I think they made a mistake because they sent me two welcome boxes. I actually paid shipping for these. I paid $5. I was only expecting one, and they were pretty heavy. They're pretty heavy. Here, lift this. It's pretty heavy, huh?
Mhm.
Do you want to open this box?
Yeah.
Maybe it's the same thing. I don't know. You gotta be careful. It's taped, Henry. Luckily, you can just use your nail, my nail. Some prenatal vitamins that made them super strong. Oh, and see my awesome sign back here? My friend made that for my friend Hannah. Shout out to Hannah for the baby shower that she threw me back in April. It says, "It's a boy." It is a boy. All right. Let's see what's in these boxes. It looks like this. Does yours look the same? And it says, "Hello, baby." Kind of like what Chris says to me.
Mine looks the same.
I think these are going to be the same. What? Right on top is Baby Registry Guide. Tells you everything you need to know. Oh, look. What's that? Cloth. We're cloth diapering, so we're not doing disposable diapers. Pros, savings, you can save $1,500 to $2,000 by the time your kid is potty trained, and that's if you only have one child. Environmental impact, they don't end up in a landfill. Cons, annoying. Cloths take time. Even with new tools to make cleaning them easier, they require more work than tossing them into the diaper tray. Travel, daycare limitations, we don't travel a whole lot, and we don't have special daycare. When you are at grandma's for the weekend, changing and toting cloth diapers can be a hassle. Also, some daycares frown on cloth, and babies don't always adapt to going back and forth. Two of our favorite cloth diaper brands are Bambino Mia Sola, all-in-one diaper, and Charlie Banana. Ooh, I like that. I like that, Henry. Anyway.
Can I do the next one, please?
Sure.
Next one, the happy family is registered at Babylist. Babylist.com.
Yeah, I got one too. And basically, do you know what these are?
Mm-mm.
You put them in your invitations for baby showers, and then people will be like, "Oh, okay, I'm gonna go to Babylist." So those are kind of neat. We don't have to open them.
Okay.
And here's a onesie. It's a Carter's onesie.
And we have a baby bottle here.
Yep, it's an even flow baby bottle. Got this one and this one too. I'll probably end up giving a lot of this stuff to people, other moms that I know that are having babies that need it, because I have an abundance of supplies and I don't want to be a hog. When you give, you get back. It's just how the universe works. And a full-size dry shampoo in both. That's amazing. Wow, that's amazing.
If you didn't know, Dove soap is like very soft, and it says Dove on here. See?
Yeah.
Dove.
Got some binkies. Even flow binkies. What's the next thing, Henry?
We got some Pampers.
Yeah, this is what comes in it. Is it's like sample diapers and wipes. I got one of these in my Target registry box. What I have in it right now is I have all of my diaper rash creams that are not cloth diaper friendly. But these little bags are neat. I really like these. Let me just put it on that side. And then breast pads and breast milk storage bags. What's next, Henry?
We got some socks right here.
These are going to be so useful in the hospital. And then samples. Oh, these are nice samples. Big sample. Newborn 2 and Wash Noodle and Boo Company.
There's something in these.
Yeah, it's shampoo and conditioner.
Oh.
They're samples.
Alright, the next one is... What is this?
This is a binky pouch. So what you do is you put the pacifiers in the pouch and you throw in your diaper bag and it keeps them from getting dirty. We got 2 of those. I'll probably gift one to another person. Wow, these are big packages of water wipes. Like how many wipes? 28 wipes. Wow.
We might need both of them just in case, so we don't waste our money on some more water wipes.
Yeah.
It's not even.
And the rest of this is just cards with coupons.
Yeah, I'll show you them. We got this one. It says, today I got my